The best quail recipe, the jumbo quail, is right here. So we will take out our quails from the packet. Gloves. I mean, I don't want my hand to be stinky afterwards. So let's focus here on the quails. These are the whole jumbo quails. Alright, so we are dealing with 6 jumbo quails right here, guys. Right here. Okay. Let me put these guys out right now just to make sure they have the skin on. Okay, you go right here and you go right here. So 6 jumbo quails. Quails are actually, they still have the feathers a little bit on it. So quails have the best meat, they say, in the birds. Of course, we all like chicken. Quails are something you should be looking at it as well. We will give it a rinse, the quails, right here in the basket. Grab a bowl, marination bowl. If you want to give them a cut, you can, but they are so tiny, guys, you don't need cuts on it. Okay, you will place the quails in a marination bowl. This is actually a very famous marination bowl. I have made a lot of recipes in this bowl. Alright, they're all rinsed. 6 jumbo quails. Ginger and garlic placed. 1 spoon of ginger, 1 spoon of garlic. Okay, goes right there. Coriander. One and a half tablespoon of coriander powder, freshly grounded. Carom seed. Yeah, it smells so strong. I got the seeds and I grounded it. So, I mean, yeah, I minced it. How should you say? These are the ground carom seeds. Half tablespoon. Goes right there. Chili flakes. If you don't want to do spicy, you can skip this part, but I want a little bit kick in the flavor. So 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. This is cumin powder, very main ingredient. Same as coriander, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder. Salt, regular table salt. I would say just add 1 tablespoon of salt in there. Very easy, right? Take a lemon, whole lemon, fresh lemon. This is the trick. Whole fresh lemon, and squeeze the whole lemon right on top. I'm holding my hand here just to catch the seeds. We all know why we do this. When I was a kid, I used to love quails at my dinner table, you know. So I'm just sharing the excuse me, I'm sharing the same recipe here. Okay, put this on the side. Let's get the other one. Just making sure I don't get the seeds in there. Get the black pepper, half tablespoon. Alright, make sure you massage it and make sure all the seasoning, they're gonna look like this. Okay, the seasoning, the spices are flying everywhere. So easy it is, right? Oh my god, if you guys could have this aroma of the grounded spices, the seeds, oh yeah. Alright, the best part about this recipe is you can put a skewer in here and put it on the charcoal or the grill. But here I'm sharing the secret recipe which has the most flavor. I'm stuffing the big pot right in here. Just making sure we get all the flavor and inside as well. Just like you guys make turkey on the Thanksgiving, it's same as that. Here I have the oil, which is at 350 degrees, and it's almost ready for them. So what we will do, guys, as I said, it's easy recipe. Once you massage, the quails, once you massage the quails, grab the quail and just put it in the oil. One more. Another one. Another one. And another one. And the last one. You can use vegetable oil or frying oil or canola oil, or you can do mix and match. Half vegetable, half canola. So here, these guys gonna fry them itself, and we will be watching, just turning around and flipping. I'll keep telling you guys what to do next, and for now I'll just give you a rough time frame. It's 15 to 20 minutes in a deep frying oil. 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. That's how they look so far. You guys see? Alright, so the time update. It's been 12 to 13 minutes. The oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are deep frying our quails with our homemade marination, with our homemade seasoning. These guys are getting the flavor in. Our 20-minute time frame of deep frying the quails have been finished. We'll turn off our stove. Yes sir, it's all done. Fully cooked, 100%. So for now we will just dish out right here on the side. And check out here, I made some salad. Yummy, right? And we are dishing out our quails. So this guy has got his skin ripped. I'm just putting it right on the chopping board just to let them cool down a little bit, you know. They came out after a hot oil bath. The delicious quail bird is ready, guys. They look like tiny chickens. Do they? They do look like tiny chickens. Alright, let's settle this in our dish out plate. Alright, two guys go here. Another 2 guys go right here. Yummy. Check this. How beautiful they look. Wonderful. So here you go, guys. Easy, simple, delicious quail recipe is ready. I have some fresh lemon, some lettuce, some onions, and fresh cucumbers with it. Moment of truth. Let's grab this guy right here from the leg piece. Check this. It's fully cooked all the way in. Alright, this is my first bite right here, guys. Oh wow, so they have mostly meat right here at the breast. Check this. Putting some drips of lemon, and here you go. Ho ho ho. The cumin, the carom, and the coriander, they have done their job. It's just so hot, I can't hold it. I just want to show you guys it's fully cooked. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this recipe. It's very easy, simple. I showed you literally in 25 minutes we made the whole quail recipe. The deep fry quails are the best actually. It's not oily at all. The oil doesn't go inside the meat. That's the best part. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and bye for now.